Hello friends, I hope you are enjoying this series of Peak Microcontroller. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel, White Loop Robotech and Automation. Today we will learn LED blinking program with MPLAB for Peak Microcontroller, and I will show you live demonstration. Let us get started. This is circuit diagram. I am using here Peak Microcontroller. It is PIC 16F877A. This is 40 pin package, and I am using a LED. LED is connected on D0 pin, and this is to 20 ohm current limiting resistor. It is connected in series of LED, and I am using here 8 megahertz crystal oscillator. It is connected on 13 and 14 number pin. You can see this is MCLR resistor, and this is programmer pin. You can connect PIC 3 here. So now we will see programming. Before programming, I will connect Picket 3 with laptop and controller with Picket 3 programmer. This is MPLAB IDE. So first of all, I will click over here, new project, click over standalone project, next, and select here controller, and it is mid-range family 8-bit, and device is PIC 16F. So I will type here PIC 16F877A. Okay, and tools. So I have already connected here Picket 3. So it is showing. So I will select this Picket 3 and again next. And now I will select XC8. It is compiler, and again next. I will type here project name. It is LED blinking. Okay, and here I have to select project folder. So go to desktop, I will select this and open. Okay, and now finish. You can see this is project file. So click over here, source file, extract this, and I will right click over source file. So new and main.c, main, finish. I will type here code. So before typing code, I will configure the bit. So go to production, and here set configuration bit, click over here. Here I will select FOSC. This is oscillator selection bit. So I am using HS, and watchdog timer. I will turn off this, and power up timer enable bit. It will be off. Brown out reset pin. It will be on, and LVP should be on. CDP it will be off, and WRT will be off. We no need to on this, and CPU also will be turned off. Now I will generate source code here. I will click over here. You can see this is created. I will copy this and okay, I will paste here. Good. Now I will define here crystal oscillator frequency. So has defined underscore xtal and underscore freq 8000000. Okay, this is wideband function, so I will remove this return. First of all, I will define here LED. So has defined RD0, sorry, RD0. This is LED. Okay. So here I will initialize as a output. So trace D0 equal to 0. If it is 0, it means output. If it is 1, it means this pin is input. I will comment this RD0 is output. Okay, and by default I will set 0 this pin, so RD0 equal to 0. I can type here LED. Okay, what happened? Oh, here is LED and here is RD0. Now it is correct. I will take here a while loop. So I will use here infinite loop. So while, and I will pass here 1. Okay, and here I will turn on the LED equal to 1, and here I will take delay ms. I will take 1 second, and again LED equal to 0, and I will use delay again. For 1 second means 1000 millisecond. Okay, I think here is double underscore, so I will add one more underscore. Okay, code is ready. So first of all, we have to select power supply from programmer. So go to production and click over here, set project configuration and customize, and click over packet 3 option categories and select here power and check on 5 voltage and okay. Now I will upload this code. So I will drag upside, click over here. It is make program and device main project. So I will click over here to upload this code. It is still uploading. Click over here. Now controller get power from programmer. LED is not blinking. Why? Okay. Now we have to turn off this LVP bit configuration. So I will type here off. Now I will again upload the code. Cool. You can see green LED is blinking. If I want to fast blinking, so I will type here 500 millisecond delay and again upload. Wow, you can see LED is blinking fast. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Friends, if you really like my video and my work, so you can support me on Patreon and PayPal. Patreon and PayPal link has been given in description box. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.